Hello students, my name is Dimple and I got 7.5 overall band score in my IELTS exam. I prepared for my IELTS exam at the Your English Teacher Institute in Karnal. I must say that it is the best institute in Karnal. Here, the teachers are very supportive, they care for the children and they always guide the students. When I started my preparation, I used to hesitate while speaking, but now I am a very confident girl. I got motivation, I got help from the teachers, they always guided me, they always used to solve my problems in a very effective manner. Students can learn very effectively and they can learn in a proper manner. Apart from studies, Your English Teacher Institute also provides motivational classes for the students. By attending these motivational sessions, I got motivation, I got encouragement. So, definitely students should come here and study as well as get motivation, and they should know, because in today's era, students must know that what they want in their life, how they can achieve success in their life, and I'm damn sure that they can definitely learn these type of things in these motivational classes. After giving my exam in April, I worked here as an IELTS trainer for about 6 months, and as a teacher, I learned many things, like I learned teamwork, cooperation, appreciation and many more things. I have heard about many institutes and you also know about various institutes at different places, but I must say that yet is the best because it is very unique. Here the staff members are not just the workers, they are the family members. They care for each other, they always support each other, they always help each other. Teachers also give motivational sessions here. As a teacher, I also told the students how they can get good marks, how they can get success in their life. So overall, my experience here was very good and I'm thankful to this institute.
I'm the champion, I'm the champion, I'm the champion.